May I request my esteemed management and dear teachers to gracefully proceed to the school campus where the continuation of today's program awaits.
Hello everyone, myself Simran Oshin from grade 10. I would like to welcome the guiding pillars of the NA Public School. May I humbly request our Honorable Chairman Mr. Bashir Ahmed sir and our respected Secretary Ms. Nazia Kausar ma'am to kindly grace here. And I request Sister Afia to please come forward. I call upon Afia of grade 4 who has made our Independence Day celebration shine brighter with her elegant costume. Her Insta reel is almost at 26k and Sister Nimra has crossed 19k views on Instagram and counting for still more. Let's keep the love pouring in and make those numbers soar even higher. Now I request Afia to honor our chairman sir and secretary ma'am by presenting a bamboo plant, a living symbol of growth, prosperity and good wishing.
Thank you.
Hold that.
See there.
Today we have gathered here to celebrate
You start.
Today we have gathered here to celebrate the pride, the glory and the spirit of free India, our 79th Independence Day. On this day, let us remember the sacrifices of our brave freedom fighters. I, Simran Oshin, feel truly honored to welcome you all to this special celebration of patriotism. This year, our theme of 79th Independence Day given by NAPS was My Freedom, My Expression, where students were given the freedom to explore, empower and express to showcase their talent in front of the world through the platform given by NAPS. Every special occasion begins with warm words that set the tune and spirit of the day. So to formally welcome all our NAPS family, I would like to call Sister Sabah to deliver the welcome address.
Hello everyone, myself Sabah Fatima from grade 10. Let's remember, freedom is not just a gift from the past, it's a responsibility for our future. ना पूछो ज़माने को क्या हमारी कहानी है, ना पूछो ज़माने को क्या हमारी कहानी है, हमारी पहचान तो सिर्फ ये है कि हम सिर्फ हिंदुस्तानी हैं. Today, as we gather under the colors of our glorious tricolor, our hearts are filled with pride, gratitude and joy. On behalf of our school, it is my privilege to extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you to our Independence Day celebration. First and foremost, I extend a heartfelt welcome to our esteemed management, our Honorable Chairman, Mr. Bashir Ahmed sir, and our respected headmistress, Mrs. Nazia Kausar ma'am. Your ongoing encouragement in academics, co-curricular activities, and in nurturing the talents of our students is the foundation of our success. A warm welcome to our dedicated teachers, who with their guidance and inspiration make everyone a memorable one. On this special day, I am delighted to welcome our academic toppers, whose hard work and excellence inspire us all, and our 100% attendance achievers, whose dedication is truly admirable. Your achievement makes our school proud. I also take this opportunity to warmly welcome our non-teaching staff and administrative staff, whose tireless effort behind the scenes ensure that every program runs smoothly and beautifully. Today is not just a day of remembrance, but a call to action, to uphold the values of unity, responsibility, and respect for our freedom. Let us celebrate with a pride, remembering that the essence of our freedom is the responsibility to preserve it. So let us raise our voices together and proudly say, Jai Hind! देशभक्तों के बलिदान से आजाद हुए हैं हम, देशभक्तों के बलिदान से आजाद हुए हैं हम. कोई पूछे कौन हो तुम तो गर्व से कहेंगे हिंदुस्तानी है Once again, Happy Independence Day to you all. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Now to celebrate the beauty of languages, we have three talented speakers with us today. First, to speak English, we have Sister Farwa. Second, to speak Kannada, we have Sister Zoya. Third, to speak English, Hindi, we have Sister Nasuha. I warmly welcome all three of you to come on the stage and present your speech.
हेलो, नमस्ते, नमस्कार। आज हम स्वतंत्रता दिवस मना रहे हैं, जिस दिन भारत ने गुलामी की बेड़ियों को तोड़कर आजादी की हवा में सांस ली। इस वर्ष हमारे भारत के स्वतंत्रता दिवस का विषय है सिटीजन पार्टिसिपेटिंग एंड सस्टेनेबिलिटी, यानी नागरिक भागीदारी और सतत विकास। आज हम याद करते हैं महात्मा गांधी, रानी लक्ष्मीबाई और अनगिनत वीरों को, जिनके त्याग ने हमें ये दिन देखने का अवसर दिया। उनकी कुर्बानी हमें ये सिखाती है सिर्फ स्वतंत्र होना ही नहीं, बल्कि इस देश के लिए बेहतर, जिम्मेदार और जागरूक नागरिक बनना भी जरूरी है।
Our freedom fighters taught us the value of responsibility and unity. Today, responsibility means protecting our environment and ensuring sustainable growth. Citizen participation starts with learning about environmental issues and spreading awareness among friends and family. We must use our resources wisely, save water, save electricity and reduce waste.
ಪರಿಸರ ಮಾಲಿನ್ಯವನ್ನು ತಪ್ಪಿಸುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ. ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಬಳಕೆಯನ್ನು ತಡೆದು ಮರುಬಳಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲಿನ ಸ್ಥಳವನ್ನು ಸ್ವಚ್ಛವಾಗಿಡಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರಾಮ ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛತಾ ಅಭಿಯಾನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನು नडुवा कार्यक्रमಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಬೇಕು। हमें सच में सतत विकास चाहिए तो हमें नीतियों का समर्थन करना चाहिए जो प्रकृति की रक्षा करती है, यानी हर नागरिक को पर्यावरण के अनुकूल अपनी आदतें अपनानी होगी, जैसे पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट का इस्तेमाल, पेड़ लगाना और कचरे का कंपोस्ट बनाना।
And most importantly, we must work together, students, parents, teachers, neighbors and NGOs, to build a cleaner and stronger India. If every citizen does their part, our small actions will create a big impact.
ನಾವು ಒಂದಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯದ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಸುಂದರ ಶಕ್ತಿಶಾಲಿ ಭಾರತವನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸುವುದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ। आइए आज संकल्प लें, हमारा देश हमारी जिम्मेदारी।
Our environment, our strength.
ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ, ನಮ್ಮ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ।
Happy Independence Day, Jai Hind.
For your inspiring words in three beautiful languages. We truly enjoyed them. Now it's time to hear from the guiding light of our NA peers, someone who always leads us with wisdom, discipline and inspiration. I feel honored to invite our respected Chairman Sir, Mr. Bashir Ahmed Sir, to please come forward and share few words with us.
Happy Independence Day to all of you. Wonderfully done, anchoring, welcome speech. Very good, Sabha. Give a big round of applause to her. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. Today, as we celebrate the 79th Independence Day of our beloved nation, I stand here filled with pride, emotion and deep gratitude. This year, our celebration theme, as we all know, my freedom, my expression, my India. That is, Nanna Swatantrya, Nanna Abhivyakti, Nanna Bharata. It is not just a slogan, it is a moment of creativity, voice, national spirit that I see blossoming in each and every child of any public school. From the 1st August, our school began this journey of celebration with activities that give life to our children's expression. Singing, dancing, painting, acting, crafting, speaking and many more yet to come. And let me say this loud and clear. Each video, each performance that we see here is the confidence, courage, creativity and commitment of our students. I always tell my students, whatever you are doing, you should do from here. Right, here also, that's why we have इधर से भी है. We can't do great things in life. I always tell. We can't do great things in life, but we can do small things with great love. आप अपने काम से प्यार करो. आप अपने काम से प्यार करो, फिर देखो काम आपसे कैसे प्यार करेगा. खुदी को कर बुलंद तो आसमान भी झुक जाएगा. Give a big round of applause to all the students. आज के बच्चे कल के नेता नहीं. आज के बच्चे कल के नेता नहीं. आज के बच्चे ही भारत के विकास के गीत हैं. To all my dear students, I am truly proud of your energy, your imagination and your passion. Keep expressing, keep shining and keep dreaming. उड़ान उन्हीं को मिलती है जो आसमान छूने का जुनून रखते हैं. At the same time, my dear children, I want you to understand what freedom truly means. It is not just about flags and slogans. It is about having the courage to make right choices, to raise your voice for good, to respect yourself and others, and to live a life of purpose. आजादी एक सोच है, एक जिम्मेदारी है. आजादी एक सोच है, एक जिम्मेदारी है. नफरत से नहीं, प्यार से ही जीतने की. ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಎಂದರೆ ದ್ವೀಪದಿಂದಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಗೆಲ್ಲುವ ಒಂದು ಚಿಂತನ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ. To all the parents, thank you for trusting us and for encouraging your children to discover their talents. To the teachers, thank you for being the guiding lights day after day, for shaping young minds and nurturing their souls. At the head of the institution, I feel a deep responsibility not just to lead, but to lead in unity, to ensure that our school remains a place where freedom comes with discipline, expression comes with respect, and creativity comes with character. Let us all take this moment to remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and soldiers. शहीदों की चिताओं पर लगेंगे हर बरस मेले. शहीदों की चिताओं पर लगेंगे हर बरस मेले. वतन पे मिटने वालों की यही बाकी निशान होगा. Let's carry the dream forward through our action, our unity and our hearts. So dear students, keep going, keep growing. Keep going and keep growing. Use your freedom wisely. Express your identity and pride. But above all, respect yourself. Respect your teachers and your parents and Bharat. मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल मगर. मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल मगर. लोग साथ आते गए और कारवां बढ़ता गया. Let's continue building this beautiful कारवां of NA Public School with unity, love and limitless. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Once again, wish you all happy independence. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for those inspiring and thoughtful words. Your message has truly filled us with pride and motivation. Now comes the most awaited part of today's event, the prize distribution ceremony. Those who come every day and those who rise every day. Today we celebrate both presence and performance. I am very delighted to announce that the students have achieved 100% attendance and also hold the prestigious title of Academic Topper of the academic year 2024 to 2025. To honor and encourage our young achiever of NAPS, I feel privileged to invite Sister Uzelfa to come forward and do the prize distribution ceremony. come towards the end of this beautiful celebration of freedom, now it is time to express our heartfelt gratitude to all those who made this event a success. To formally deliver the word of thanks, I would like to call Sister Hafiza to please come forward and express her appreciation.
Good morning everyone. Myself Hafiza Fatima of grade 9. What a truly memorable celebration we have witnessed today, filled with patriotism, pride, deep love for our motherland. On behalf of our school, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all who have been contributed to make this Independence Day program a grand success. First, my sincere thanks to our esteemed management, our honorable chairman, Mr. Bashir Ahmed sir, our respected headmistress, Mrs. Nadia Kausar ma'am, for your unwavering support in academic, co-curricular activity and for continuously motivating our students to strive for excellence. To our dedicated teachers, thank you for your support, guidance and encouragement in preparing and presenting such a vibrant, meaningful program. And to our shining stars, our talented students from nursery to grade 10, your dedication, discipline and national spirit was evident in every performance. From energetic dance, soulful song and inspiring speeches, to creative painting, cook without fire, presentation and beautifully decorated notice boards, you have showcased a true unit, commitment and pride. A heartfelt thanks to our dear parents for supporting and encouraging our young talents. Your involvement gives great meaning to our celebration. A special word of appreciation to administrative staff and non-teaching staff for your contribution is truly invaluable in a smooth conduct of such event. Let us carry forward the spirit of today, promising to keep our freedom alive, our unity strong, and our voice loud and proud in saying Jai Hind. Freedom is not a gift bestowed upon us. It is a result of sacrifices of our heroes. Let us honor it with responsibility and pride. Thank you.
मेरे हाथों में हिंदुस्तान का चेहरा है, मेहनत, ईमान और एकता को थाम ले, तेरे दम से ही देश का सुनहरा सवेरा है. That brings us to the end of today's Independence Day program. May we always value and protect the freedom we have earned with such great sacrifices. Wishing you all a happy 79th Independence